Hello everyone, welcome back to the Homemade Asian Flavors channel. Today, I'm bringing you a dish that's incredibly easy to make but absolutely packed with aroma. It's our stir-fried dace and lettuce made with canned dace with black beans. I promise after watching this video, you'll be able to recreate this delicious dish right in your own kitchen. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We'll be using a can of canned dace with black beans, which you can easily find at any supermarket, a bunch of lettuce about 250 grams, some basic seasonings, and the most essential sole ingredient for this dish, animal fat. Let's start by preparing the lettuce. Trim off the root end and cut the stalks into 3 sections. Try to keep the lengths roughly the same. This not only makes the final dish look more beautiful, but also makes it easier to eat. Once cut, wash the lettuce thoroughly and drain off the excess water. Set aside for later. Now let's move on to the aromatics. Finely chop the garlic and ginger into small pieces. This classic combination is a staple in Cantonese cooking. It's perfect for bringing out the best aromas in the dish while also helping to eliminate any unwanted odors. Next, take out the right amount of dace from the canned dace with black beans. For 250 grams of lettuce, using 1 piece of dace is a good ratio. Cut the dace into several smaller sections to make it easier to cook and eat. And remember, be sure to also scoop out the black beans and the oil from the can, as they're packed with flavor. As you can see, all the ingredients and aromatics are prepped and ready. So let's start cooking. Let's blanch the lettuce briefly. Prepare a pot of boiling water and add salt, sugar, and peanut oil. This gives the lettuce a basic layer of flavor. Simply let the lettuce stay in the boiling water for about 10 seconds. The goal here is to partially cook it. This helps it cook through faster later, keeps it nice and crunchy, and also removes any raw, grassy taste from the vegetable. But be careful, don't overcook it at this stage, or it will lose its texture and become too soft. Remove the blanched lettuce and drain well. Set it aside for later. Get a frying pan ready and set it to medium heat. Add an appropriate amount of solid animal fat. Under high heat, the fat will quickly melt into liquid. Using animal fat really enhances the texture of the lettuce. It makes it crispier and brings out a much richer aroma. Add the canned dace with black beans and the aromatics to the pan. Stir fry quickly so that the flavors of the dace and the aromatics can thoroughly meld together. It's important to keep stirring continuously during this process to make sure nothing burns. Now quickly add the cooking wine. Under high heat, the alcohol will evaporate rapidly, but the aroma will be beautifully locked into the ingredients. Now it's finally time for the lettuce to take the stage. Add the slightly softened lettuce to the pan and stir fry for just about 15 seconds. Add an appropriate amount of oyster sauce for seasoning, and give everything a final quick stir fry to allow the savory flavor of the oyster sauce to fully combine with all the ingredients. And finally, our stir-fried dace and lettuce is ready. Now it's time to plate it up. If you enjoyed this dish, I warmly invite you to try making it yourself in your own kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll continue bringing you more amazing Asian cuisine videos. See you next time!